Tired of messy spice cabinets? Meet the ultimate kitchen upgrade, the rotating Spice Carousel with auto measure function. With 12 easy-fill canisters and one-touch measuring, it lets you rotate, dispense, and cook like a pro. No more guesswork, no more clutter. Organize your spices, save time, and add precision to every dish. Say goodbye to stress and hello to relaxation with this electric scalp massager. With 4 soft silicone heads, waterproof design, and USB rechargeability, it melts away tension, boosts circulation, and feels like a spa right at home. Your scalp and your soul will thank you. This isn't just a coffee table, it's your new workspace, storage hub, and style statement. With a smooth lift-top design, hidden compartment, and modern wood finish, it transforms your living room into a smart, clutter-free zone. Function meets elegance in every inch. Hate cleaning windows? Let this smart robot do it for you. With automatic cleaning, anti-fall detection, and strong suction power, it sticks, glides, and shines, even on high windows. Just press a button and watch the magic happen. Smarter cleaning starts here. Tired of standing and stirring? Meet your new kitchen assistant, the automatic pan stirrer. It stirs your sauces, soups, and creams all by itself while you multitask like a pro. Hands-free cooking just got smarter and so much easier. Clean any cup in seconds with this 360-degree rotating glass rinser and 9 powerful jets. Durable, sleek, and fits most drinkware. Say goodbye to messy, smelly trash bins. This smart touchless trash can opens automatically with motion detection. No more bending or touching dirty lids. Even better, it replaces the bag by itself, giving you a truly hands-free, hassle-free experience. Sleek and space-saving, it's the perfect upgrade for any modern bathroom. Take your taco nights to the next level with this fun and easy Tortilla Bowl Maker. Simply place your tortilla inside, and in minutes you've got a crispy golden bowl, no oil needed. Perfect for serving salads, dips, chili, or your favorite appetizers. It's mess-free, quick, and brings a tasty twist to any meal. Tired of bulky, space-hogging drying racks? This compact and foldable clothes dryer is the perfect solution for small apartments, dorms, RVs, or travel. Lightweight yet sturdy, it sets up in seconds and folds away just as easily. Whether you're drying shirts, towels, or delicates, it helps you save space without sacrificing convenience. Dry your laundry smarter, anywhere, anytime. Bring order and elegance to your beauty routine with this 360-degree rotating makeup organizer. Its adjustable shelves and spacious compartments keep your skincare, brushes, and cosmetics perfectly organized and easy to access. Compact yet roomy, it's the perfect upgrade for any vanity or bathroom counter.